Hello everyone, so welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video we will learn how to post new tweets from Twitter to Telegram. So imagine this, you are an active Twitterati. You tweet a lot and you have a ton of followers on your Twitter account. At the same time you also have a Telegram group with a ton of followers. So the usual approach is you make a tweet, after that when the tweet is posted you copy that tweet and paste the same tweet on your Telegram group for your Telegram followers. Now lately you have started to realize that this process is actually very repetitive and tiresome. So how about you bring in some automation so that whenever there is a new tweet posted by you on your Twitter account, the same tweet will be posted on your Telegram group automatically. Now the problem here is there is no active connection between Twitter and Telegram. So in cases like these, we have to bring an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Twitter and Telegram. The best part of using this process is a person without any technical background can perform this integration very easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example.
Okay, so as you can see, this is my Twitter account and I'm going to publish a new post. And this post is on the integration between WhatsApp and Google Sheets. Also, I have added the link of that particular video. Okay. Now, what will happen if I press on tweet is that once the tweet gets published on my Twitter channel, the same tweet will be available in my Telegram group. Okay. So let us check. Will that be possible? So let me just click on tweet. Okay, so a new tweet has been made, a new integration video between WhatsApp and Google Sheets published. Okay, and this is the video link. Now, this is my Telegram group. Let me just refresh to check. Do we have the same details of the tweet? Let me just refresh this again. Okay, so this is basically the same message that we had posted on Twitter, and this is now available as a message on our Telegram group. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Twitter to Telegram? Okay, so you're going to send the data from Twitter to Telegram in just 3 easy steps. We have step 1, that is connect Pabbly Connect to Twitter account. Okay, so obviously you're going to log into Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you're going to integrate Twitter and Pabbly Connect. Then we have step 2, collect the data from Twitter to Pabbly Connect. So you're going to make a tweet. The details of that particular tweet will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Now we have step 3, send the same data to Telegram to publish the message. So the details of the tweet or the tweet itself will be used to create a post or a message in Telegram. The integration is very easy. Let me show you the details. Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just hover on products and here you will find connect. Just simply click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already created an account. So when I click here, I will be brought to the app section of Pabbly. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm planning to give it as Twitter to Telegram. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice, and let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now obviously I want to first send the data from Twitter to Pabbly Connect. So that is why in the choose app, I'm just going to select it as Twitter. Twitter it is. Okay, so we are going with Twitter. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new tweet? Now that's pretty much obvious. Okay, so as you can see, my Twitter account is already open. Basically, I have already logged into my Twitter account. So what we are going to do here is we are just going to integrate Twitter to Pabbly Connect. So let me just straight away click on connect. We are going with a new connection. Just click on connect with Twitter. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is asking access to my Twitter account. So before you click on authorize, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. On the basis of that trust, let me just press authorize app. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Brilliant. So what's next? So when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of a tweet from my Twitter profile. Okay. When I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of a tweet that is present in my profile. It can be any random tweet, but it will just send a message. It will basically send a message that our integration is successful. Okay, it will fetch one of the tweets from my Twitter profile in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, this is the text. Okay, so this is the text and this is the tweet that we had worked on earlier. Okay, not the recent tweet. This is some old tweet. Okay, it is showing some old tweet that was tweeted some ages back. Okay, so why it is important? Because it is now showing that we have an integration between our Twitter profile and Pabbly Connect. So this is the tweet 10 plus best subscription management and something. So let's explore which is that tweet. Okay, so I think this is that tweet. Okay, this is the tweet that we had made several ages ago, several time ago. So this is that tweet. So we have got that detail. Now you don't have to worry because everything will happen in real time, because when you will tweet after building this workflow, it will be automatically be available in Pabbly in your Telegram channel. Okay, for the moment it is only showing the old tweet that you had made several ages back. Okay, so what's next? So what we are going to do here is we want to send this data to Telegram. Okay, so basically we are building a workflow, so that is why we are going to send this message to Telegram. Okay, now we know that this is obviously an old tweet, but do not panic. We will be having the real tweet in your Telegram channel after this workflow is built. Okay, so now we plan to send the same data to our Telegram channel. So in the action window, obviously we are going to select Telegram. Okay, because we want to create a message on Telegram. Okay, now in the action event, how about we make it as send text message or a reply HTML, and let me just straight away click on connect. Okay, so we are going with the new connection, and in the new connection we have to enter the token. So these are the instructions that we have to follow. So let us begin with dealing with bot father. So this is the bot father, and what we're going to do here is here we are going to create a new bot. So this is the code to create a new bot, but if you are familiar with Telegram, obviously I don't have to tell you that, but this is the code and we have added it here. Okay, so it will now show. Okay, so now it is saying, all right, a new bot, how are we going to call it? So I'm going to give a random name. How about Pabbly 890 something, Pabbly 890, that would be good. Okay, Pabbly 890, that will be name. Okay, so now we have to give a username to this bot. So how about we give it as Pabbly 890 underscore bot. So let's check if this bot name is available. Yes, the bot name is available, and that is why it has returned the token. So we are just going to copy this token, and afterwards I'm just going to paste it here. So easy. And let me just straight away click on save. So when you click on save, we have chat ID, text message, disable notification, and disable link previews. Let's start with the chat ID. So here's the problem with Telegram. The new version of the Telegram doesn't allow the group to be added, a new group to be created from the web version. So this is the web version, and the new version of this Telegram channel doesn't allow to create a new group. So that is why we are going to deal with the app version. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new group in my Telegram channel, in my Telegram group in the app. Okay, so this is the app version. Okay, and I'm going to create a new group. Okay, so how about we give the name to this group? Oh, before that, let me just click on the 3 horizontal line and let me just click on new group, and I'm going to give the group name as Automation 101. So this is the group name, Automation 101. Now the reason I'm doing this is because the web version of Telegram doesn't allow you to create a group. Okay, so that is why we are going with the app version. So let me add some people to this particular group. Okay, and I have added some of them, and let me just straight away click on create. So a new group called as Automation 101 has been created with 6 members. Excellent. Okay, so the next step will be we are going to add our newly created bot to this particular channel, this particular group. So let me just click on these 3 vertical dots, and let me just click on view group info, and we are going to add new member. So let me just click on add member, and the name of our bot was something Pabbly 890 something. Okay, so this is the bot. Okay, we have selected it, and let me just click on add. So now we have 7 members. Excellent, because the bot has been added. Now we are going to grant him admin privileges. So let me just let me just right click here. So this is the bot Pabli890, and I'm just going to click on promote to admin. Okay, after that I'm just going to type admin. Okay, so this will promote this particular bot to admin, and let me just click on save. Okay, so let's check whether the same guy has been added or given the admin privileges. Yes, as you can see, it is now the admin. Okay, it is showing edit admin rights. So this guy, this our newly created bot is the admin. So let me just cancel this. Okay, so now we are ready. Okay, so what's next? So let me just minimize the app version. Okay, and this is the channel. This is the group automation 101. So basically, it is now demanding the chat ID. So for message to a private channel, we have to use -100 and these characters. Okay, we have to use these characters. Okay, let me just copy this. Afterwards, let me just paste it here. Okay, and afterwards let me just add 100 -100. Okay, so we have added the chat ID. Now how about the text message? Now we want the text message. Now if you're familiar, this is the tweet that we had made. Okay, so this is the tweet that we had I had made several ages ago. So this is the random tweet that it is showing. So we want this detail here. Now remember this is something I have told you earlier, to not panic. Okay, to not panic that this is showing some old tweet, some random tweet, not the recent one. But once the workflow is made, because once the workflow is made, doesn't matter which tweet, doesn't matter when you tweet, it will be automatically will be shown in real time on your Telegram group. Okay, so at present I'm just going to add the text message. Okay, so this was the tweet. Okay, and in the case of disable notification, let me just keep it as no, and the disable link preview, let me just keep it as no. So when I click on save and send test request, okay, so it will show a positive response, and as you can see, we have the tweet, okay, as a message in Telegram. Excellent. So it was made by this bot, that is Pabli890. So my point is very clear. Okay, now if you're going to tweet, if you're going to make a tweet, that tweet will be made available in Pabli Connect in your Telegram channel. Now remember this, there will be a gap of 5-6 minutes between the tweet and the message appearing on your Telegram channel. This is because Twitter takes some significant amount of time to send the data. Okay, so it's not an issue with Pabli Connect. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Twitter to Pabli Connect, and then you integrated Pabli Connect to Telegram. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Twitter and Telegram. Awesome.
Not just these apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with help of Pabli Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabli.com. Also, you can ask questions on forum.pabli.com. Also, if you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. It will really motivate us to make more videos for you. Thank you.